Did you know?
Why are you standing like that? Oh. You trying to be a motivational speaker or something?
Trying my hand at it. Anyways, you heard about the Kia Boys and shit?
What's that?
The Kia Boys? You never heard about? Don't you have a Kia?
I did. Came up missing.
Came up missing.
Yeah.
I think I know what happened to your Kia. The Kia Boys have been going around. They've been stealing. They're called Kia Boys for a reason. They've been going around stealing people's Kias. They're Hyundais. They take their charger. They like take out the box and they like plug it in somewhere, and then they start the car and they take it. They've been GTA, Grand Theft Auto, and gotta be man. For real.
So you mean to tell me that my car was probably stolen by some Kia Boys?
By some 17-year-old delinquent. He just snatched your car.
For real? Like damn. Wait a minute.
That's tough.
How'd you hear about it?
How'd I hear about it?
Yeah.
Bro, cut. Nick,
What?
you know Roger?
No.
Roger's a Kia boy. Roger, I'm not
He was
saying
at my
that.
house the other day.
Did you have your car before Roger was there?
Yes.
That nigga Roger stole your Kia, bro. That nigga Roger stole your Kia, bro. Wait. Who's by my car?
Oh man, this nigga car dirty as shit, bro. I'm finna stop stealing. I'm finna stop stealing from niggas, bro. Man, shit crazy, bro. Oh. Oh shit.
Yo, hey, get up. Yo, hey, get up, bro, stop, hey, yo, get it off the corner, stop, this isn't shit.
Damn, man, that's crazy. Oh, shit, damn. Oh,
Get out of the car,
that's,
get out of the car.
damn. Hey, bro, you good?
Why did you help me?
It wasn't my car getting stolen.
Why didn't you call the cops? He stole my car.
It looked
Why
like
didn't
you
call
had
the
it
cops?
handled. You had it handled. I mean, you jumped on top of the car?
You know what? Fuck this, I'm done. I'm out of here. I'm going.
Where you gonna go? You gonna walk? Oh, shit.
Is this nigga serious? Is this nigga serious? Like he's just gonna bring me my car back? Like I'm not finna fuck him up? Like I'm dead ass finna beat this nigga. Alright, come on, get out the car, bro. Get out the
Bro, relax.
Relax. You
I
just
didn't
took my car.
I didn't mean
You
to
just took
steal
my
it.
car.
I didn't mean to steal it.
Oh, shit, goddamn. Oh, hey, oh, fuck, oh. Hey, do you want me to call the cops now?